Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Setting up Facebook ads for your Shopify store is a professional way to reach potential customers and drive sales. Here is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial for that. The first phase is to set up your Meta Business Suite and connect it to Shopify. Now, before you can run ads, you need to establish your business presence on Facebook's platform. And this is how to do that. Create a Facebook business page. And if you don't already have one, create a Facebook page for your business. This will be the public face of your brand on Facebook and is essential for advertising. The next step is to set up your Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business Suite is your central hub for managing all your Facebook and Instagram business assets. Go to business.facebook.com inside your favorite browser. I'm inside Google Chrome here. Now, click Create Account and follow the prompts to enter your business name, and your business email address. You will receive an email to confirm your business email. The other step is to create your ad account within Business Suite. Once in your Meta Business Suite, navigate to Accounts, then click on Add Accounts in the left menu. Click Add and select Create a new ad account. Name your ad account, e.g. your business name, choose your currency, and select your time zone. Assign yourself and any other team members appropriate roles, e.g. admin, to manage the ad account. Now the other step is to install the Facebook and Instagram by Meta app on Shopify. So this app is crucial for syncing your product catalog and managing your Facebook presence directly from Shopify. Now log in to Shopify admin panel. I'm inside here. Now go to settings by clicking on this settings icon. Click on apps and sales channels. Search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta and click install. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store to your Facebook Business Manager account. You'll likely be asked to log in to Facebook with your admin account. During this process, you will select the Business Manager account and the Facebook page you want to connect. The other step is to now set up the Meta Pixel, which is crucial for tracking. The Meta Pixel is a piece of code that tracks visitors' actions on your website, allowing you to measure ad effectiveness, optimize campaigns, and create retargeting audiences. We have a method here via Shopify integration to do that, which is recommended. When you connect the Facebook and Instagram by Meta app, it will guide you through setting up the Meta Pixel. In your Shopify admin, go to Online Store. Now click on Preferences. Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. Click Set up Facebook or Connect account and ensure your pixel is connected. You'll typically choose a data sharing level, i.e. standard, enhanced, or maximum. Maximum is generally recommended for better data. Verify installation now. In Meta Events Manager, go to your pixel and click Test Events. Enter your Shopify store's URL and browse your website, view products, add to cart, initiate checkout. You should see events appearing in the Events Manager, confirming your pixel is working. You can also use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension. The other step is to now sync your product catalog. The Facebook and Instagram app will automatically sync your Shopify products to your Facebook catalog. This is essential for running dynamic ads and creating Facebook shops. Now let's get to creating your first Facebook ad campaign. Now that everything is set up, you can start creating ads. The first step is to go to Facebook Ads Manager. From your Meta Business Suite, navigate to Ads Manager. Now create a new campaign. Click the Create button. Choose your campaign objective. This is your overarching marketing goal. For Shopify stores, common objectives include sales. This optimizes for purchases on your website, which is recommended actually for driving direct sales. We also have traffic, also engagement, which aims for likes, comments, shares, or video views. We also have awareness, reaches the maximum number of people. The next step is to define campaign details. Give your campaign a descriptive name, special ad categories, declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. Advantage campaign budget, which is CBO. You can turn this on to let Meta automatically distribute your budget across ad sets for the best performance. We also have this other step, which is to set your ad set. The ad set level is where you define your audience, budget, schedule, and placements. Ad set name, e.g., women's shoes interests. We also have conversion event. We have budget and schedule, where you can have daily budget, lifetime budget. We also have audience. This is crucial for reaching the right people. Locations, that is target specific countries, regions, or cities. We also have age and gender. Detailed targeting, this is where you can target based on interests, e.g., online shopping, behaviors, e.g., engaged shoppers, and demographics, which can include parents or even relationship status. Placements is also key. Advantage plus placements, which is actually what I would recommend for beginners. Facebook will automatically place your ads across Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and audience network for the best performance. Now, the other step is to now create your ad. This is where you design your actual ad creative. We have the ad name, identity, where you select your Facebook page and Instagram account if they are connected. Ad format, where you can choose an ad format. You can choose either single image or video, a classic and effective format. We also have carousel, which displays multiple images or videos. Collection, which is a full screen mobile experience with a cover image or video and multiple products below. We also have dynamic ads, automatically show relevant products from your catalog to users who have shown interest, e.g., viewed a product on your site. We have media, where you need to upload high quality images or videos of your products. Visuals are key. Primary text, your main ad copy, keep it concise, compelling, and highlight benefits. We also have the headline. You should have a short, catchy title, description, call to action button. You should also have destination, where you ensure the URL points to the correct product page or your Shopify store. Review all your campaign now, the ad set, and even the ad details carefully. Now click publish to launch your campaign. The other phase is to now monitor and optimize your campaigns. Launching an ad is just the beginning. Continuous monitoring and optimization are crucial for success. Monitor key metrics in Ads Manager. Regularly check metrics like reach and impressions, that is, how many people saw your ad and how many times. Click through rate, which is percentage of people who clicked on your ad after seeing it. Cost per click as well, conversions, cost per purchase or cost per acquisition, return on ad spent. That is how much revenue you generate for every dollar spent on ads. Now optimize budget as well. If certain ad sets or ads are performing well, consider increasing their budget. If they are underperforming, consider pausing them or adjusting. Now refine audiences. Based on your performance data, refine your targeting. Retargeting as well. Once you have website traffic, create retargeting campaigns to show ads to people who visited your store but didn't purchase. Now analyze data as well. Use Facebook reporting tools to understand who your customers are, what they respond to, and how to improve your apps. These are some of the tips for beginners. Start small. Don't break the bank on your first campaign. High quality creatives as well. Clear call to action, make it obvious what you want people to do. Compelling offer, give people a reason to click and buy, e.g., discount, free shipping. Patience and persistence. It takes time to find what works. Don't get discouraged if your first ads aren't immediate hits. Keep testing and learning. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up and running effective Facebook ads for your Shopify store. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.